Welcome to the old Bertie Sullivan YouTube channel. Ed, if I'm an employer and the Department of Labor has decided to send me a letter saying you're subject to a Fair Labor Standards Act audit, what do I do?
Well, that's a very good question, and it can be scary for a lot of employers, particularly smaller businesses. Sometimes they send a letter, and sometimes they just show up,
Whoa,
and they want to ask a bunch of questions.
that's
And
even worse.
they're certainly entitled to do that under the law. The long and the short of Department of Labor audits is that the Department of Labor, in my experience, truly is interested in determining whether or not the Fair Labor Standards Act has been violated, and that they will work with employers in attempting to resolve the claims that have been brought to their attention, and they want employers to comply with the law. But because the law is tricky, it's important that employers, if they get faced with one of these Department of Labor audits, have a lawyer that knows the tricks, so to speak, and what the Fair Labor Standards Act allows and does not allow, how they calculate back wages, if that's the issue, what the potential defenses are. Because my experience, the investigators will listen, and they will be able to see the evidence, if you have evidence in support of your position. So it's basically important, in my mind, to not be scared, to understand that this could be a potential good thing for the company to bring them in compliance with the Act. And frankly, truthfully, the Department of Labor getting investigated by them really offers some advantages to the employee in the sense that they're not out there purely driven by money like some plaintiffs' lawyers are. They're interested in the truth and resolving claims. And also, through the Department of Labor, if there are violations and if back wages are due, you have the potential, not in every case, but in most cases, to have the employees sign a form called a Form WH-56, which will release all claims against the company, which can be very beneficial, and you don't have to worry about getting sued again.